Start each homeschool day with a ritual to help define school time. Kids can leave by their own front door and go to school via your back door. They can call you Mr. Dad or Mrs. Teacher. Packing their own recess might save your food bill. Whatever works for you and yours is fine. What you are doing is resetting expectations, shifting from your regular parent role into home educator extraordinaire. Put together a timetable or day planner with the kids so everyone is in the know and you won't disturb kids when they're in an online class or studying. Don't forget to include brain breaks, meals and other activities in the schedule to balance the day. Remember to include rewards for completing tasks. Let kids lead planning. The more ownership they take, the more they're likely to stick to it. But also be prepared for timeouts for when things are going pear-shaped. Kick a footy in the garden. Bounce on the trampoline. Or a dance break to shake it up. Get up and move, stretch and breathe. Sometimes you are simply going to need to press a reset button, so make it fun.